My name is Isaac. I am here to solve a very question that many students find difficult. I'm going to make it very easy for you. For those of you that are preparing for German work, this is a very good channel you can follow, and more videos will be coming. So here we have a question, and the question says, the diagram above shows a ray of light IK incident on a plane mirror at K. Calculate the angle of deviation of the ray after reflection. So we have a mirror here. This is a mirror, and an incident ray strike the mirror at K with an angle of 30 degrees. So the question is, find the angle of what? Calculate the angle of deviation. So this is a very simple question. So let's see. This is solution. So here we're going to sketch a diagram. This is how it's going to be. Very simple. This is it. This is your angle 30 degrees. Okay, so you must draw a normal. Draw a normal to cut at K. You draw a normal at this level to cut at K. Yes. So at this point, you already know that this angle must reflect. This angle must reflect this way. Is that okay? It must reflect. This is an incident ray. This is a what? A reflected ray. And one of the laws of reflection states that the angle of what? Of incident is equal to the angle of reflection. But at this point, we don't have the angle of reflection, and we don't have the angle of what? Of incident. So we have the glancing angle, which is 30. What must we do to get the angle of incident? We must what? Take from here. Remember, this is our number, and between number and the mirror, between the number and the mirror is 90 degrees. So if we subtract 30 from 90, we are going to obtain was 60. It means the angle of incident I is equal to 60 degrees. Okay, if the angle of incident is 60 degrees, of course, definitely the angle of reflection would be 60 degrees as well. Why? The law of reflection states that the angle of incident is equal to the angle of reflection. So having obtained the angle of incident and angle of reflection, we are going to find the angle of deviation, which is our point of focus. But how do you obtain the angle of deviation? Remember, is the angle of deviation of the of the incident ray. So we are going to trace the incident ray down here. So tracing it like this, we have an angle here, D. This D is the angle of deviation we're talking about. Okay, and remember, from here to this place is a straight line, and sum of angles on the straight line is equal to 180 degrees. So it means our angle of deviation D is equals to 180 minus into I plus what? R. And this I is the angle of incident. This R is is angle of what? Of reflection. So it means our D now is equals to 180 minus into 60 plus 60. Okay, so it means D is equals to 180 minus 120. 180 minus 120 will give what? D equals to 60 degrees. So the angle of deviation is what? Is 60 degrees. Thank you so much. Comment and share this video. It will help someone that is preparing for WAEC and JAMB. God bless you.